Hi, I'm Mike, owner of Food Fire Knives, and for National Ice Cream Day, we're going to make one of our most popular and requested items, avocado ice cream. So here we go. 2 avocados. One and a half cups of milk. 1 cup of sugar. Half of juiced lemon, and a pinch of salt, and then we're going to puree this. We're going to add our heavy cream. We're going to freeze this for 1.5 to 2 hours. So now that we have our ice cream at that 1.5 to 2 hour mark, it's about the texture or the consistency of soft serve ice cream. So what we're going to do here is just scoop it back into a food processor to break up those ice crystals to make it smooth and creamy like ice cream should be. So once we have our nice smooth mixture, I'm just going to pour it back into our container. And we're going to freeze again for another 2 hours. So now that we have our ice cream frozen, we're going to go ahead and start plating up. So what I like to pair with it is strawberry salsa. It's a kind of a mixture of sweet and savory cilantro and olive oil. We'll post that recipe online as well. So here is the salsa at the bottom. So it has finely diced strawberries, cilantro, olive oil, and a little bit of sugar. I'm going to scoop our ice cream. And then we made these sopapiilas. So these are just sliced tortillas, tossed in cinnamon and sugar, and kind of cooked in butter. So we're going to put these on the top here. And then we're just going to drizzle it with a little bit of honey. And there you go. Avocado ice cream, strawberry salsa, and sopapiilas.